So let's be honest. You've probably seen 100 videos promising you easy money online. Drop shipping, affiliate marketing, Amazon FBA sounds great, right? Until you try it and realize it's way harder than they make it seem. I know, because I've been there. I tried Fiverr, no one bought. I tried trading, lost money. And I kept asking, why isn't this working? The truth? Most of these methods can work, but they all have a learning curve. They take time, and they're not instant money machines. So the real question is, which online businesses actually give you results without draining your time and wallet? After looking at almost everything out there, I found two business models that stand out. Let's break them down. The second one is Kindle Publishing, Amazon KDP. This one's simple. You publish books on Amazon. Think journals, diaries, coloring books, funny books, stuff that can go viral easily. Here's the trick. Instead of spending on ads, use TikTok. Post 2 to 3 videos a day showing your book in creative ways. If just one video hits 100,000 views and 1% of people buy your $16 book, that's about $7,000 in sales from one viral post. The steps are clear. Create a KDP account, publish your book, start a TikTok profile, post consistently and repeat what works. It's low cost and the upside can be big. The first one is YouTube Now. The most powerful option, YouTube. This platform can completely change your life. With just a few strong videos, creators build loyal audiences and generate serious income. But it's not about luck. It's about making content people click and watch until the end. Here's the formula. Pick a niche you enjoy that's also profitable. Research your audience. Create videos with strong titles and thumbnails. Focus on 2 metrics, CTR, click-through rate, and audience retention. Once your videos perform, YouTube will push them to more people. And beyond ad revenue, you can earn through sponsorships, affiliate links, or even your own products. Both KDP and YouTube work if you commit. Start small, set clear goals, and as you grow, think about outsourcing or delegating. That's how you scale. And don't expect the road to be smooth. You'll hit obstacles, but every challenge teaches you something. Over time, you'll build skills and confidence that make success possible. As promised, I've put together a free file where I break down different online business models so you can choose the best one for you. You'll find the link in the description. Now, I'd love to hear from you. Have you tried making money online before? What worked or didn't for you? Drop a comment below and I'll see you in the next video.